And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of this 2020 Heartland Big Country 3560 SS slide-in slide master bedroom. We'll get to that a little bit later. Starting here in the front, we're going to start off with this solid front cap, painted front cap. That's not just gel coat, it's actually painted with LED lighting, tight turn technology. We've got a solid front compartment designed for generator. It's already got the cutouts. If you wanted to add that generator, you can certainly do that. 2 propane tanks, 1 on each side of the coach. Nice long electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning. Outdoor speakers, very large front compartment area that is heated. You've got additional power and cable outlet if you wanted to add an additional television to watch out here under the awning, watch the games. Large capacity water heater. You've got a step above step system, very solid system, wind resistant door with a large grab handle here as you enter into the coach. Coming into the coach, you're going to notice large, tall slide outs, well insulated coach. You've got cabinetry all around. Got a nice pantry with slide outs in the pantry. Large fireplace and television, CD player, DVD player, Bluetooth compatible. You've got the large couch in the back that folds out into a trifold. That's not a jackknife, it's a trifold. Ceiling fan. You've got LED lighting underneath the counter. Extra 110 power. Large range with oven. That's the upgraded Furrion oven. And you'll notice in this kitchen area again, lots of cabinetry and drawer space. Additional storage here. You've got a coat closet. You've got a little bit of a pantry area here as you walk into the coach. So you've essentially have 2 cabinets in this, 2 pantries, 4-door refrigerator. As you come up the stairs, you've got 2 ways into the bathroom. Huge wardrobe closet set up for washer dryer, or of course you can just use that for lots of storage. Coming into the bedroom area, this super slide with 2 slides in the bedroom area makes it fantastic. It's like having a nice master bedroom with the fireplace, the TV, the walk-in closet. Again, easy access to the bathroom from both the hallway and the bedroom area. 1-piece fiberglass shower, porcelain toilet, lots of medicine cabinet area, plenty of room for toiletry items. This coach is well equipped. 4 seasons. This is a residential coach, rated as a residential coach. It's going to come with a Dyson vacuum, fantastic fans, LED lighting throughout, whisper quiet air conditioning system. Come back on outside. On the outside, you're going to have G-rated tires, you're going to have shocks on each wheel, and you're going to have the MORride suspension system. Again, we've got frameless windows, the back of the coach, backup camera ready, ladder, walk-on roof. You've got the hitch for the bike rack or the extra storage rack in the back. 50 amp service with a power cord, so no more fighting the power cord. Additional storage right here. And what's really cool they did this year, yes, it has 6-point hydraulic leveling system. Of course it does. It's a big country. But what they've done really cool is now they've made these doors open side to side. So you're no longer crawling underneath the slide to get to your docking station where everything is. That's a heated docking station. It's part of the basement of the coach. Again, 6-point leveling system. Everything's hydraulic. This is a fabulous residential coach, and we have lots of them in stock. So if you have any questions on this coach or any other coach, feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.